Hi, it's Dr. Roz, and today you're listening to Couch Talk, the place to be for professional counseling tips to strengthen your relationship and create a positive, powerful life you love. Today's topic is all about the anxiety, stress, and fear that cripples you from living your best life. And we want to fight any unrealistic and excessive worry by increasing your faith, courage, and positive thoughts. We'll do that with positive affirmations. For best results, say these affirmations out loud or to yourself with me for at least the next 21 days. If this is helpful, stick around and let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos. And the best place to get the latest couples counseling tips and advice to strengthen your life and relationship is actually on my website at RosalinnAshford.com, where you can start a powerful 7-day couples challenge. Don't go to bed mad. Eliminate 69% of your fights tonight. So let's get started. The distorted negative messages you tell yourself about whatever situation you're facing creates worry and anxiety. Worry is a form of avoidance, a way to not have to deal with what you're afraid of. Avoiding your fears rather than facing them head on creates tension. Today, we're going to replace this fearful self-talk with positive affirmations for anxiety, stress, and fear. Let's take a deep breath in. A deep breath out. Deep breath in. Deep breath out. Deep breath in. Deep breath out. Let's begin. Today, I am here and I show up for myself. I take good care of me as I would a good friend. I exercise. I eat foods that nourish my body. I speak positivity into my life. I surround myself around positive people. I drink plenty of water. I show myself compassion. I give myself a break. I keep myself safe. I ask for help. I am honest with myself. I create meaning for this day, knowing that this is a day to labor and sow a seed. In some area of my life, this is a harvest day. I give myself permission to enjoy the fruit of my labor. I enjoy the fruit of my love to others and myself. I enjoy the fruit of pure joy. I enjoy the fruit of a peaceful day. I enjoy the fruit of my patience. I practice the fruit of kindness and goodness. I enjoy being reliable and trustworthy. I enjoy the grace of my soul and appreciate my gentleness. I am thankful that I have self-control. Today, I healed from anger. I respect my time. I am committed to making sure I am a healthy and whole person. I am not dependent on another to fulfill me or define me. I pay myself first. I set boundaries in relationships. I give myself every opportunity to make the most out of this day. I wake up with good thoughts. I set my own atmosphere with the intention that today will be a really good day. This is my day. I take ownership of the things I allow into my physical, spiritual, mental, and emotional space. I set clear boundaries and expectations and protect my emotional, time, and energy boundaries. Today, I honor myself. I celebrate myself. I give myself permission to be honored. Today is my day. This is the day that everything will work for my highest good. I can choose positive, more realistic thoughts above negative, distorted thoughts. In my choosing, I will find more joyous feelings. I know that whatever happens was divinely orchestrated to teach, grow, challenge, and ultimately elevate me to the best version of myself. I boldly face whatever comes my way. I am ease. I am secure. I know that everything is working for my highest good, even when I can't see it. I am accepting of the things I can't change. I am safe. My family is safe. I live with more of a sense of peace and confidence. I can laugh at some part of this situation. I am healthy. I am loved. I am successful. I am calm. I am easy to get along with. I am content. I am at peace. I am secure. I am certain. I am confident. I am cool, calm, and collected. I am peaceful. I am sure. I am carefree. I am easygoing. I am divinely guided. I am grounded. I am worthy of the things I desire. I am worthy of success. I am worthy of love. I am worthy of abundance. I press forward. All is truly well. I can do this. I am amazing. I am blessed. I am courageous. I allow my intuition to guide me. I give myself permission to let go. Today, all of my needs will be met. Tomorrow will take care of itself. I trust that everything will fall into place. I am a wise, deliberate creator. I am building the day of my dreams. I am inventing new ideas and positive thoughts. I am investing in myself. I'll ask for what I want and know that it's on the way. I believe it before I see it. I am loved. I am brave. I am abundant. I am thankful for my life. I am giving birth to the person I was called to be. I am divinely guided. I am easygoing. I am sure. I am peaceful. I am cool, calm, and collected. I am safe. My family is safe. I am healthy. I am secure. I boldly face whatever comes my way. Whatever happens was divinely orchestrated to teach, grow, challenge, and ultimately elevate me to the best version of myself. This is the day that everything will work for my highest good. This is my day. I give myself every opportunity to make the most of this day. So I wake up with good thoughts, and I set my own atmosphere with the intention that today will be a really good day. I heal from anger. I respect my time. I am committed to making sure I am a healthy and whole person. I set boundaries in relationships. I am not dependent on another to fulfill me or define me. With confidence, I bring this day into being. I am the author of today's story. Once upon a time, I didn't think I could. I didn't know how I would, but now I am looking forward to this happily ever after